This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the home button in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to the Brave browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser opened up now. As you can see up here in the upper left hand corner, I don't have a home button icon up here. To enable or disable the home button, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner to the 3-bar hamburger menu, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. And then right in here, Show Home Button. Currently I have it disabled, but to enable it, all you got to do is toggle this on right here. Now as you can see up in the upper left hand corner, I have the icon of a little house here. That's the home button. Now if you want to, after you have enabled, you can enable it or disable it. If that's toggled off, it's disabled. If it's toggled on, it's enabled. Another thing you can do, if you want to customize your home page to as far as when you click on that home button, it'll bring up whatever website you want. Like say I'm going to, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to enter in the Google search page URL. I'm going to press Control V. You could enter in whatever URL you want to link your home button to right here. Make sure this bottom one is toggled on, enter in your URL, and then when you click the home button, I will demonstrate it now. There is google.com right there. That's what I linked my home button to. That is how to enable or disable the home button in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.